This is my 2007 Honda CR-V that I'm planning to do a little bit of camping in. And I want to block out the side windows and the back window for a little bit of privacy. And I'm gonna let Andrea show you what we came up with.
Hi, Andrea. So what people normally use is this reflectix. What they do is they spray it with a glue, and then they buy a piece of fabric and they cut it out about an inch all the way around. They glue it to it and then fold it around all the way.
And what color is the fabric?
Black.
Okay.
So then they put this up to try to black out the windows.
Okay, so they put the black side out so that people can't tell that they're sleeping in it, because if the silver's out, people can tell. Okay.
Yes. However, at O'Reilly Auto Parts in Santa Barbara, we have found this, voila, with the black side already made on it.
And what's the black material?
It's like a thin plastic. So the specs of it are...
Let's see what the bonding looks like. Let's put it right here.
This part.
Wait a minute, let's get real close. Hold on one second, hold on. Show me the silver side. Okay, there's the silver side. And then we pulled it apart. Now show the black side for a second. Okay, hold on. So there's the black thin plastic. Now slowly rotate it. And as you can see, it is bonded to the shiny side. Now show the shiny side again. Yeah, right there. So it on the other side of this piece you're looking at, it was also a shiny side that they bonded this black plastic to. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Well built.
So, here's what it is. If
Okay,
you
hold
want
on.
to get this.
Let me get in close. Okay, go ahead.
Auto shade, black matte, universal
Mate,
fit,
okay.
28.5 inches by 63 inches.
And what else did you want to show them?
And the model number is 805980.
Okay, now that model number is very important because there's different ones, and this is the correct one. Okay.
So then, we've cut it already. Here's what it looks like.
There's
We're gonna
one
put the
sample.
black side out.
And let's show them the tab, the duct tape tab.
The custom tab.
Okay, hold on. Let me get in close. Okay, now slowly rotate it, putting that tab in there. See, so we got it on both sides. Okay, let's go ahead and put the black side out. Let me know once it's all the way in there. Okay, now let me go to the other side. Now it just looks like a dark tint, but hold on a second, Andrea, hold on. And then here's the front window. Okay, now go ahead and pull the duct tape tab. There it is. Beautiful.
So good luck to you. I hope we've made your life a little easier.
Beautiful.